Good morning, basketball fans. We're here right now sa ating palaro po sa NDBL. Pandirakis po sa aking mabuting kaibigan, kaya nandito po ako. Game between Three Johns Barbershop versus Sports Corner. This is your host, Arvin G, along with Hero Blackos Vlogs. Vlogging for today morning. We're here live right now sa Perling Season in Doha to witness a match between Three Johns Barbershop and Sports Corner para sa NDBL Basketball League. Standby po tayo mga po sa ating sa opening tip-off between Three Johns and Sports Corner. Sulaiman pala nandiyan eh. Sulaiman, si Scott, si Mercado sa Three Johns. Dito naman, moron si Ramos, Mercader, and the company. Mabilis. Speed and si Dimac, nangis Dimac. Sinitipid, dahan-dahan din. Sami po tayo sa opening tip-off po between Three Johns and Sports Corner sa NDBL Basketball League Live in the Perling Season International School in Doha. Hindi ko pa nadala yung nagdala ko ng extension ko, hindi ko naman dala yung charger head ko tsaka yung charger wire ko ng isang mobile. Kaya dito tayo.
Kaya ba yan?
Kaya naman to. Kaya makasurvive to. Naka-battery saver mode naman ako eh. Yung isa lang talaga, yung Redmi ko, hindi pwede. Hindi kaya. Oh, Scott to. Oh, smile. Oh, nandito ayan Yan, dito sa kabila, sa Paloco.
Sino ba ito?
Sandy Jela, yun yung big band na. Sandy Jela, si Mercader. Yan na sa si Ramos. Nandito si Ramos. Tingnan nga forward, ito lang, may legit center sila.
Yung malakas pala yun. Revelation tsaka JJ.
Oo.
Diana. Malakas.
DJ Diana.
Oo. Revelation. Malakas.
Oo. Revelation to eh.
Oo.
Sina Lim.
Ayun kayo na ba?
Ayun, naglaro, Revelation, Team the Talents.
Makita ko na eh.
Oo.
Isang tingin ko pa lang. Pero malay natin, di ba?
Ha?
Malay natin. Term hairbox.
Bilang bola.
Bilang ulan, di ba?
Sino coach nyo?
Si yung referee ng Mandap ba yan?
Mandap.
Oo. Revelation.
Ng
Natalo.
Mandap ng Cardinals.
Oo, kabit.
Pwede na. Playmaker naman yun eh. Playmaker naman. Yan ang bala kong bilhin pag nakaloglo. Yung ganyan. Yung ganyan na stand mo. Magkano ganyan sa online ba yan o sa Magkano sa online? 60 lang dati. Tsaka ang kinaganda nito, isang buong game to, hindi siya as buo siya. Yung ibang mobile kasi, puputulin sa 3 video eh. Automatic yun eh. Di ba pag isang buong game, napansin ko, Samsung tsaka Redmi, pinuputo sa 3 video minsan, yung dalawat ka na, yung sa kalating oras na laro. Oo.
Nagla-live ka?
Pag ito naman, isang buong video siya. Pero ang quality naman, suffer naman.
Maganda naman kasi.
Ano lang siya?
Ano?
Ha?
Anong minute yan?
Blue. Yung mga nausong mobile ng World Cup. So, inapansin mo, anong output niyan sa video? Sa nakapoto ka pa, pare. Anong output? Di ba tatlong video lumalabas?
Hindi ko napansin mo.
Di mo, tatlong video yan. Same ano? Same, ano siya? Same, tabo doon, same file, pero may part 1, part 2, part 3. Pansinin mo.
Pero continuous naman yun. Edit mo.
Oo, crop cut. Gamit ko, crop cut. Di ko na maximize pa paano gamitin yun. Basic lang ako. Pero marami siyang effect agad, effects. Huwag mong dakdakin niya, technical ka. Ibang liga, technical yan. Yun naman, maganda rin yun eh. Yung yata mayroon parang ano, yung circle, pang vlog yan eh. Ano, ano, pag yung magsasalita ka, oh, pang vlog yan eh. Okay. Okay, standby po tayo sobrang tip-up between the game between 3 Johns and Sports Corner sa ating MDBL Basketball League live sa Perling Season ng Surin Doha. We're here right now also. Okay, kasama ko si Mr. Hero Vlogs po habang nagbablog po dito sa sa media center ng lugar rito. Tayo nasa media center po ngayon ng The Perling Season International School para po mag-vlog po tayo between Sports Corner and 3 Johns Barbershop. Located in along Mansour Road po near the metro station in Doha. Pupunta ka rito. Meron silang legit center. Bola. Ito na po tayo. Yan. Yan po tayo. Welcome right po po. This is the second game for tonight po between 3 Johns and Sports Corner. Speed yata to. Ang story dito, speed versus versus power. More on speed to eh. Built for speed yo. Speed. Okay, tinato na po yung 3 Johns po and both teams po tinato po natin pong ang ating first five po para sa opening tip-off sa ating second game for tonight between 3 Johns and Sports Corner. Sports Corner, 3 Johns coming from a fresh championship po ito last season. Yung kanilang huling laro po buzzer nail biting championship. Exciting po yun. Laro lang po, walang kita ng mundo. Ano to, parang baki? Isa lang ang patakaran dito. Walang patakaran.
Second game of the MDBL Season 4.
Okay, the opening po between Sulaiman and Sandy Jella. 3 Johns Barbershop versus Sports Corner.
Speed versus
Power. Yan ang story dito. Speed versus power to.
Speed yung Sports Corner.
Oh. Okay.
Sports Corner ball.
Sports Corner ball. Patoy. Sa Paloko to Mercader. Mercader may tahan ng bola. Ayan na. Ilalim mo. Malalim. Di makulangan. D-Mac nakakuha ng rebound. This time si Suleiman. Suleiman may tanga ng bola. Suleiman driving the ball. Intercepted. Almost and same ball. Foul. Number 20, Belza ng Sports Corner. Call for the foul. Lakap. Suleiman driving against Mercader. Suleiman. Niklos for 3. No good. Rebound ng number 7. 23. James. Patoy. Paloko. Pops up. No good. Suleiman. Rebound. Ayun nga lang. Naku ni Sandy Jella ang bola. Jella. Paloko. Mercader against Suleiman. Mercader driving. Stalwart ng Antipolo Rizal. James. Belza. 2 points. First blood been drawn by Sports Corner. 2-0. 8 minutes and 28 seconds remaining of the first quarter. Suleiman. Niklos. Archie. Lakap for 3. No good. Rebound po. Ayan si Pisa Paloko. Saan di Jella. Follows through against Dimbakulangan. Mercado. Nakuha ni Mercado ang bola. Dimac. Sidestepping. No good. Mercader for the rebound. James. Pasok ang bola. 4-0. 4-2 nating rad now been made na by Sports Corner. 4-2 natin rad now been made by Sports Corner. Now Lakap has the ball. Lakap. Niklos. Suleiman. Pumalo ng 3. No good. Archie. Almost rebound. Rebound again ni Paloko. Against Lakap. And foul called on Lakap. Foul called on Lakap. Barangay rules po ito. Mga po second lineup po nila after 5 minutes. Paloko. Na pinasa na po sa ilalim. Malalim mo si James, number 23. No good. One more time. Bounce through. Wala pa rin. Shooting for 2. Number 23 ng Sports Corner.
2 shots po. Number 12, first personal foul.
First personal foul number 12 po. First shot, number 23. No good. Second shot, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pasok ang bola. 5-2 nating run have been made now by Sports Corner. Tiri yan sa yet to score in the ball game. Suleiman. Dimac. No good. T-shirt Suleiman. Pumalo ng 2. No good pa rin. Nice rebound by number 3. Paloko sa ball. Mercader. Pasok ang bola kay Mercader. Early time at call by Trijan's Barbershop. 7-2 nating rad been made by Trijan's Barbershop.
Score 0-7. Favor of Sports Corner.
By the way, vlog ko po natin po yung laro po ngayon. Bukas po, game night tonight po para sa PSBQ Basketball League at Tuesday night po yan magsisimula. Bali mamaya na po yan. Please watch and share and like po sa ating mga videos po sa PSBQ, sa ating Facebook page. Doon sa aking channel po sa Arvin G Vlogs po. Arvin G Vlogs po ito. Dimac. Again, Lakap to Suleiman against Paloko. Oy! Butter hands by Dimac. Buttery fingers by Dimakulangan. Okay, naman sa Paloko. Jella to Paloko. Belza, no good. Niklos. Oy! Traveling violation called. Still yet to score pa rin po ang Trijan's Barbershop. 7-0 pa ating po score at 5 minutes 50 seconds remaining. Tadile Patoy, okay, Padilla Paloco, Belzan, naku ni Suleiman ang bola. Suleiman, leading in charge. Yun, 2 points. Finally scored ng Trijan. Court of Mrs. Salman, the main man. Mercader against Dimac. Mercader, galing screen kay Diela. Pasok ang bola kay Mercader. Dimac. Second 5 po, tinatawag yung second 5. Lock up for 3. No good. Rebound ni Archie to lock up. Lock up, driving. Archie, last touch. Okay. Second 5 po tayo ngayon. Second 5. Second 5 po. This time no, sila Scott, Balatbat and company. Para sa Trijans. Dito naman si Ramos. Papasok na rin po sa Sports Corner. Scott, Natividad and company. Kasama si Balatbat. Sa Kalimala po, almost the same lineup. Kasono, pumaro ng 2, no good. Balatbat for the rebound. Balatbat to Scott, leading the charge. Scott, nice one, no, foul on Sports Corner. Samonte shooting for 2. Para sa Sports Corner, score is 9-2. 7-point lead. 7-point lead pa rin po ang Sports Corner. Samonte shooting for 2. First shot, Samonte. No good. Second shot, jumpers ready for Samonte. Second shot, Samonte. Second shot, jumpers ready. Nice rebound by Mercader. Kasono. Malalim, walang pinasahan. Yung bandi po ng December, Balatbat to Adriano. Adriano may tayo ng bola. Adriano to Scott. Binabante na yung Ramos. Nahuli. Belza driving and one play. Parang Mr. Belza ng Sports Corner. Plus bonus free throw po tayo. Belza shooting for 2. Wala. Balatbat for the rebound. Balatbat to Adriano. Natividad sidestepping. Uy. Foul. Again, Belza called for the foul. Natividad shooting for 2. Aga pa. Third foul trouble kagad ah. Bad news po yun para Sports Corner dahil medyo depleted na kanilang linya. Kunti na po sila ngayon. Natividad shooting for 2. First shot, pasok, sana. Second free throw, jumpers ready. Not for Natividad. Second throw. No good. Rebound di Balatbat. Nice. Scott, nawala ang bola. Traveling violation. Para sa number 6, number 8. Inbound din po tayo yun. Yes. Cosco to Mercader. Mercader, driving si Mercader. Mercader. Costco. Wala. Nahuli bola. 3. Pasok. Back to back.
Score 2-13 in favor of.
Natividad from Scott. Natividad, rebound. And ay sayang, traveling violation. Tough break para sa Regents Barbershop. 3 minutes remaining at 13 tong score. 11 po kalamangan. Walang pinasan. Adriana rebound. Adriana driving. Walang pinasahan. Balat-bat. Malakas. 2. Up. Same ball.
8-second shot clock.
8-10 shot loss awarded po. Same ball po tayo yun. Scott inbounding. Scott. Balat-bat. Pasok ang bola. Mercader. Mercader. Matawil. Belza, no good. Nakuha ni Scott ang bola. Didid siya kay Scott. Scott. Going and gone. Konting push. Di na tinawagan ng referee. Malapit against Adriano. Mercader, Adriano, 2 Casono.
13-second shot clock.
To number 20, pumalo ng 3. Pasok! Scott again. Samonte. Malakas. Casono. Belza. Mercader, pumalo ng 2. Pasok! Scott, may tayo ng bola. Scott. Labas pa rin. Balat-bat. Scott, kuha ng rebound. Natividad, nakuha ng rebound. Natividad. Samonte. Nakabawas sa Monte. 10 na po naman. 18-8 po at 15 seconds remaining. First quarter action between Regents and Sports Corner.
10-second shot clock.
Belza, Mercader, pumanang 2, no good. Mercader, nakuha. Trailing job by Mercader is good. 12, 31 seconds remaining. Scott. Ginamitan experience talaga. Scott shooting for 2.
Referee, sino foul? Number 15, Casono.
Casono call for the foul. First shot is Scott. Pasok. Swak na swak. Second free throw. Jumpers ready. Second free throw po tayo. Jumpers ready po tayo. Kapag Mr. Scott. Yes, sirree. Oh. Ano yun? The Magician Scott.
Wala na po tayong shot clock.
The Magician. Casono. Nakuha ni tabi ng bola. Mutik na. Balat-bat. No good. Scott. Training job. Scott. Nakalusot. Nakuha. 1 second. No good. Okay, that ends our first quarter action. Standby po tayo sa second quarter. The score is 20-10. Okay po, takpo. Good morning po. 10 lang po yan. 2010. 2010 rather. 2010 po ang ating po score. Second quarter action starting. Speed nga. Sabi ko, speed, di ba? Oh.
Dalawa pa Ramos.
Ha?
Dalawa Ramos.
Hmm.
Ay,
Isang Ramos number 1. Isang, oh.
Ramos.
Speed versus ano, versus power nga to. Speed versus power to. Suleiman.
Salman. Sapatos ni Salman, no?
Oo nga eh, Jordan.
Start the booking.
Parang ano siya.
Oh,
Hindi ba nag-isang kilo?
malamang. Okay, Salman. Salman inbounding. Nice shoes, ha? Salman inbounding for Three John's Barbershop. Salman.
4, 10, 20. Favor of
Ayan na. Salman.
fourth score.
Salman driving. Walang pinasahan. Nahadlangan si Demokulangan. Transition play dapat yun eh. Paloko to Casono. Casono driving. Ayun, kick out pass. Wala. Teka lang. Technical foul on number 10.
Number 10, technical foul. For this concerning. Sino number 10? Ay, Teodoro. Pangalan mo?
Technical po. Number 10, Teodoro, call for technical.
And then that's the first personal foul.
Hindi ba... Ay, dapat pala, parigis muna tayo talaga. Casono, driving, may nakalusot, hindi. Paloko, dish of pass. Casono, 2 for 3. Foul again.
And then Castro, number 10, second
3 shots
personal
awarded. 3 shots awarded, landing spot. Masakit yun. Casono, first shot. Pasok. Sana. First throw, no good. Second throw, 30 shot po yan. Wala pa rin. Third shot, jumpers ready. Third shot po, jumpers ready. Sa wakas, nakapasok. Okay, number 10, may tangan ng bola. Teodoro. Pitches. Pinasa ilalim. Dimac, driving. Ayun, nice one. Nice play by Dimac. Pitches, galing kay Dimac. Sayang. Top break. Paloko. No good. Rebound ni Salman. Towering rebound. Pitches sa likod. Pitches. Driving. Wala. Ginamitan naman. Stolen by Pitches. Wala pa rin. Sayang yun.
16 second shot clock.
Pitches almost stolen the ball.
12 second shot clock.
No good. Rebound with number 23. Pasok ang bola kay number 23. Power move made by number 23. Teodoro. Pitches. Salman pops up for 3. No good. Rebound ni Sandy Jela. Jela naka-rebound. Jela, yun, pasok. Parang crane, dinudukwang lang. Chodoro, again. May tahan ng bola, Chodoro. 14-point lead na po kalamangan po ng Sports Corner. Salman to D-Mac. Power move. 0 call for the foul.
Number 0,
0. First personal foul. Di mo kailangan shooting for 2.
first team foul.
First shot. Di mo kailangan. No good. Second free throw. Jumpers ready. Second free throw. Jumpers ready para di kay Mr. Di mo kailangan. Wala pa rin. Jela for the rebound. This time Paloco. Paloco and Speeches. Paloco versus Speeches. 0. Cosco. Pumalo si Cosco. Pasok. Nothing but nets. Chodoro.
15 seconds shot clock.
Peaches. Salman, sidestepping, wala pa rin, malas talaga. Sidestepping, Jela for the rebound. Sidestep, Cosco, pasok, yes sirree. Time out now, called by Trijan's Barbershop. Don't look now, the score right now is 30-12, 18-point lead ang kalamangan ng Sports Corner. Don't look now, 18 na po yan. Minsan talaga ang basketball parang ano yun eh. Pag ang ring mo, minsan gatasa o gabanyere. Pag,
Anong dami nangyari, boss, nakaraan?
pag sinuwerte ka, gabanyera yan. Kahit anong pukol mo, pasok.
Talaga, 22, kahit comeback.
Oh, pero ano, hinabol nyo.
Hinabol ng 3 minutes, 74 all.
Grabe yun, late rally yun ah.
Grabe.
Pero ano,
Sa palitan kasi ng ano.
napagod na rin tao din, syempre. Nagdo-double team, double effort na kayo eh.
Double effort mo kasi yun eh.
Oh.
Back to the ball game.
22 ba?
22 na po tayo ngayon. Dahil kasi tumag po na ang 3 minutes muna ng ano, timeout po.
Parang sa amin din to.
Peaches. Peaches to Teodoro. Kaya dapat talaga yung ano, as much as possible, wag dapat ano talaga, palamay na todo yung ano. Teodoro, now, di mo kailangan, Teodoro. D-Mac, Teodoro. 3-second violation. Inbound din po. Si 0 to Paloco. James, wala. Salman, nakakuha na rebound. Salman for the rebound. Salman. Ang lalim ng Peaches. Palpal. Block.
10 seconds shot clock.
Yun, nakapasok si Chodoro nakapasok. The score at a 16-point lead po posted by Sports Corner. Paloco, Cosco, nakuha ni Peaches. Chodoro, naka-lead. Chodoro, pasok. Fourteen po. Back-to-back ball game. Back-to-back basketball ni Chodoro. Paloco, pasok. Paloco ang bola. Pasok ang bola. Chodoro. D-Mac. Di makulangan. Sidestepping. Foul. 2 shots awarded. Paloco called for the foul. Second 5 na po yan. Calling now, second 5. Second 5, D-Mac shooting for 2. After si D-Mac din, upo rin yan para mapalitan. D-Mac shooting for 2. Pasok kay D-Mac ang bola. First shot is good. Second shot, jumpers ready. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Pasok pareho. Okay, sub din po yan. Di ba ko lang ang paparating ni Archie? Ayun na. Design si Mercader na naman. Mercader, may tahan ng bola. Mercader. To number 20, no good. Rebound. Number 19. Scott. Ayun. Scott. Nice play by Scott, number 19, sa Monte. Pasok. Ayan na. Scott Magic is working way through again. Scott Magic. The Magician. Mercader against Natividad. Mercader. Pumalo ng dos. Fade away pa. No good. And that's si Balatbat. Balik po muli po sa 3. Sa same ball po. Sa sports score ng bola.
14-second shot clock.
20. Batang Moro.
12-second shot clock.
Nice one by turnaround pa. Move by Ramos. Nahuli pa ni number 23. Palpal. Palpal pa rin. Paul sana. Huli, sumabit. Top break by, para kay Balatbat. Called for the foul.
Foul number 18. First personal foul.
First personal foul called on Balatbat. But shooting for two po si Mr. Ramos. Shooting for two, Mr. Ramos.
2 free throws for Mr. Ramos.
Kaya nga eh. Ramos, power move. Matitidalangin na wala. Second shot, Ramos. Jumpers ready. Wala nga, ang lakas ng magdalangin. Archie for the rebound. Number 19 to Scott. Number 24. Scott driving. Pasok ang bola kay Scott. Ayan na.
Foul na, foul by Scott.
Basket made by Scott. Shooting for bonus free throw. Scott. Jumpers ready.
First personal foul.
This is MDBL Basketball League live in the Perning Season in Doha. Frigga Team Soap, 3 Johns Barbershop, and Sports Corner. Scott, bonus free throw. Pasok. 34-23. 11 ang kalamangan. 11 kalamangan. Tingnan kung mo. Foul again. Balatbat sumabit. Sumabit kay Ramos. Sabit.
Second personal foul number 20.
Balatbat, call for second personal foul. Mercader na inbounding the ball for Sports Corner.
Second shot clock.
Mantawil. 3 points, no good. Rebound ni Mercader. Pumalo ng dos. Foul again. On Sports Corner, this time on number 19. Samonte called for the foul. 2 shots awarded para kay number 23. Penalty situation. Sports Corner.
3 Johns. Penalty.
Great Johns po. Penalty 3 minutes 16 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter. The score right is 24-23. Wala pareho. Rebound ni Archie. Scott again. Scott. Ayun. Pinasa kay Natividad. Turn around. Nawala ang bola. Traveling violation called by the referee. Traveling violation called. Rob, teka lang po. Mayroon. Traveling violation called by referee. Traveling without documents is not good. Dapat meron kayong pasaporte parate para magta-travel kayo. Mercader inbounding again. The score is 34-23. 11-point lead po yan ng Sports Corner against Regents Barbershop. Ramos, Mantawil,
14-second shot clock.
Belza, up! Si Daisy, 3-second violation. Cold. 3-second violation called. Di mo rep, hindi po siya rep. Pinawi, tansyo.
24-20 in favor of Sports Corner.
No comment ako dyan. Okay, balik po tayo sa ano. This Scott pumitaan ng bola. Scott. Scott. Natividad. Pops up for 2. No good. Kapos. Natividad. Floater. Pasok. Ang bola. Mercader. Mercader to Belza. Take off kay Mantawil. Nakuha ni Scott ang bola. Nice play by Scott. Scott. Palpal. Mercader. Foul on kay Mercader. Foul on Mercader. Number 19 again, Samonte called for the foul.
Personal foul.
Number 19 called for the foul. Penalty situations, Regents Barbershop.
14-second shot.
Ivan again missed the first shot. This time, jumper's ready. Ano ba to?
Shout out po kay Mr. Rollins.
Mercader. Hindi, ano, baka palumuti lang yata ito. Ah, Bluetooth ba to?
Naka-stand ka kasi play mo lang.
Ah, gano'n pala kasi. Baka nuwa. Scott, 3 points. No good. Nice one by Balatbat. Again, Scott pa rin. Scott driving. Yun. Uy. Nawala ang bola. Same ball. Ouch. Top break para kay Belza. Samonte, Scott. Scott driving, nakalusot. Sa ilalim. Stepping nga lang. Mercader. 10 lang po yan. 15 seconds remaining. Mercader.
Score 35-25.
Again. Kickball.
Ready? 1 second show.
Mercader inbounding to number 23, Mantawil. Ramos. Pasok kay Ramos ang bola. Balatbat. Nakabawi si Balatbat. Samonte. Nakuha ni Archie. Pasok. 4 points. 40-0 run. Mercader. Wala. Mercader pa rin. Pasok kay Mercader ang bola. 10. No more. End of the first half po tayo yun. The score is 39-29. Better keep it at bay. Huwag yung hiyam, bumalagwa ang gulamang. Back to the ball. This and back to the ball game po tayo yun. Second half action po tayo. The score is 39-29. Second na po tayo, change court po tayo. This time, Sandy Jella po, idol. Good evening po sa'yo. Inbound din po, Sandy Jella. Tubig si Paloco against Natividad. Paloco. Nakalusot. Paloco. Tap. 0. Casono lost the ball. Chance now for 3 years to shop ng diring to 8 points. Balik muna tayo. Tayo lang po, may konting discussion. Same ball pa rin. Same ball awarded. 3 John's Barbershop awarded sa possession. Okay, Natividad to Sulaiman. Dimac. Scott driving. Scott. Pasok! Ayun na. Don't look now. Foul called on Natividad. Natividad called for the foul. Don't look na kanina, 10 po yan. 14 mo nga kanina yan. Ngayon, 7. Jela driving.
10 seconds shot clock.
Paloko. Pops up for 3. No good. Okay, 3 John's bambola. 3 John's ball. Sulaiman sidestepping. No good pa rin. Scott, doon ko yung bola. Palpal ni Paloko ang bola. Nakadalawang piso yung si Scott ah. Malalim din pati. Scott. Sulaiman, pops up, pasok! Don't look now. Possible 3-point play again. 6-0 run being made now by 3 John's Barbershop. 6-0 run to. Pag pasok po ito, 6-0 run. Okay, basket made now. Time out of sports corner. The problem pa din pala sa sports corner, nakalimutan natin kung Hero. Depleted yung lineup pala nila kumpara mo sa 3 Johns. Mas marami yung lineup nila. Mas malalim yung bench.
35, 39.
Dito depleted yung lineup ng sports corner. Pero we'll see kung anong adjustment magagawa ng sports corner to maintain the lead.
Back to the ball game.
Okay, balik po tayo sa ating buong laro po ngayon. Good morning po. Qatar in the world. This is the NDBL Basketball League live in the playing season international in Doha. Switching the games between 3 Johns and Sports Corner. As you know, 3 Johns po located in Mansura Metro Station area, 3 Johns Barbershop. Ang pagupitan ng bayan dito sa Qatar. Casono driving. Ramos ang lalim, muntik na. Buti na lang, hindi nakapasok. Ramos shooting for 2.
Second personal foul.
Ramos shooting for 2. Ramos.
8 seconds shot clock.
Pasok. Ano wala shooting? Meron daw. Ano wala shooting? Meron daw shooting ah. Okay, jumpers ready for Mr. Ramos. Second free throw. Ramos, number 7, shooting for 2. Second shot. Wala shooting nga. Jela, sidestepping, no good. One more time. Dimac, nakuha ang bola. Sulaiman. 8 seconds po. 8 seconds. Naitawid po yan. Naitawid po. Scott. Buntik na. Scott for 3. Wala. Nako, nakalusot. Nakalusot si Paloko. Casono. Pasok. 4-2-30, 7 muli kalamangan. Natividad. Natividad, sidestepping. No good. Balatbat sa ilalim. Nice one by Balatbat. With a B. Oopsie daisies. Balik sa Trijan ng bola. Balatbat with a capital B kanina. Capital B as for basket. Sulaiman. Scott driving. Naku, sayang. From Jela, Sandy Jela.
Sino ba ulit?
Sandy Jela called for the foul. First personal foul. Scott shooting for 2.
Number 20.
First throw, Scott. Wala. Second free throw, jumpers ready. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second throw, jumpers ready. Wala pa rin. D-Mac, naku yung bola. D-Mac driving. Wala, ayun si Balatbat. Again with a capital B for Balatbat. Back to back basket for Mr. Balatbat. Mercader. Foul. Balatbat called for the foul.
Third personal foul.
Balatbat, third personal foul po yan.
Substitution.
Substitution made now. Balatbat out, Archie in. Jela inbounding.
14 seconds shot clock.
Number 0. Kasono. Pumalo ng 3. Wala. D-Mac. Kaya yan. Natividad. Pasok. Don't look no. Kanina 14. Ngayon, isa na lang. 7-1. Run by Sport. By Trijan's Barbershop. 7-2 nating run. Depensa. Nice good. Salman. Escat. Tuakasono. Wala pa rin. Eskatin. Wala pa rin. Uy! Foul. Blocking foul.
Number 18. First personal foul. Three times warning for penalty.
Trijan's warning for penalty. First shot. Mercader. Wala. Second free throw. Jumpers ready para kay Mercader. Second throw. Pasok. Swak na swak. Salman. Natividad. Salman driving. Pops up. No good. Third quarter pa. Pagbagal pala. Cosco. Ang lalim. Sayang. To Scott. Ayun. Libre. Scott. Yes, sirree. Tabla. Sa wakas. Deadlock po tayo ngayon. First deadlock of the game. At 43 all.
Tabla na po tayo. 43. 14 seconds. Shot clock. 10 seconds.
Mercader, huli ka doon, Natividad. Sabi ng referee, kitang-kita.
Third personal foul.
Third personal po tayo, number 8.
Penalty.
Penalty situation for Trijan's Barbershop. Mercader shooting for 2.
Third personal foul.
First shot is no good. Second throw po tayo, jumpers ready. Pasok pareho pala, sorry. 45-43. Trojans trailing by 2 points. Escat, pumaro ng 3. No good. Rebound ni Mercader. Cosco. Casono. Mercader driving. Pasok. 4. Back-to-back basket po ni Mr. Mercader.
Time remaining 3 minutes
3 minutes and
and 47
47 seconds remaining.
17 seconds shot clock.
Sulaiman. Archie.
12 seconds.
Natividad. Driving. Walang foul. Jella.
Time remaining 3 minutes and
Nahuli. Di makulangan ng bola. Escat. Again, 6-0 run been made.
timeout.
6-0 run made again by 6-0 run made by Sports Corner. 49-43.
Score 49-43 in favor of Sports Corner. Lumang ulit sila ng Ami.
Tapos si, ganda ng Blackbot, no?
Oh, nagbago yung wala si Balatbat. Foul trouble siya kasi. Oh, 3% na pano siya. Kanina, back-to-back basket ni Balatbat yung nagpaano doon. Nagpabalik sa Sports Corner. Sa Trojans Barbershop. Trojans Barbershop, ang pagupitan ng bayan dito po sa Qatar. Trojans Barbershop. Available po sa dalawang branches po pala in Al-Sad branch, fronting Lapas Bachoy area, and also Mansura branch in Metro area, Mansura. Trojans Barbershop, ang pagupitan ng bayan.
Pangmasa ba yun, boss?
Maganda yung kupit eh.
Sino kaya ang mananalo?
Mahaba pa na. Meron pa naman 30 minutes pa sa gameplay na to. Scott to Salman. Salman driving to Scott. Pops up. No, Salman. Pops up for long 2. Nice one by Salman. Nice play. Design po yan ng kanilang coach po sa Trojans. 2 minutes 40 seconds remaining. 49-45, 4-point lead po yan. 6-2 nating run. Ang lalim. James, no good. Rebound, di makulangan. To Scott. Scott, ayun, nakalusot. Magikero talaga. Humahati ng play. Pero kung pumait pa yan, Mercader, pops up for 3, no good. Walang kumuha ng bola. Mercader, palpal. Di makulangan. Smarter the ramp, di makulangan. 11 second shot clock remaining po para sa Sports Corner. Belza na walang bola. Nakuha muli ang bola ni Belza. Uy! Dimak. Di makulangan. Uy! Ayun, kay Balatbat again. Balatbat with the letter B again for basket for Balatbat. Balatbat, Mantawil to Casono. Casono pops up, nope, it's Mantawil. Shooting for 3. Wala. Archie for the rebound. Scott again, 4-9 all. 6-9 nating run. Scott. Traveling violation. Traveling violation. Pag tinawag ng referee yan, wala na. Alas ko ma-overruled yan. 14 all. 1 minute 12 seconds remaining. 6, third quarter. 6-2 nating run been made by Trojans Barbershop. Mercader. Pops up for 3. No good. Archie for the rebound. Salman. Hindi makulangan. Malakas. Mercader. Foul.
46 seconds remaining. May foul po.
Hindi.
Sinong foul?
Hindi makalaman.
Number 2.
Number 2, call for the foul. That's Archie Mercado. Penalty situation po ang Trigens Barbershop. Pasok! First shot, pasok. Okay, second free throw. Jumpers ready po tayo.
Nasa 40 seconds.
Second throw po tayo. Jumpers ready. Pasok pa rin. Swak to swak po yan. Swak to swak.
Time remaining. 41 seconds.
41 seconds remaining.
16 seconds shot clock.
D-Mac driving. Touch pass. Wala.
Time remaining. 28 seconds.
Yun, recovered. D-Mac.
26 seconds.
Scott, no thinking 3.
Start for 3.
Bang! Sirin! Sa wakas, nakalamang na ang Trigens Barbershop. Kasono, double team. James. Walang pinasahan. De Mercader, no good. Okay, after 3 quarters, the score is 51-52. Leading na po ngayon ang Trigens Barbershop. At from 7 to 6 nating run. 7 to 6 run. Seven to 6 run po been posted by Trigens. Yung kinahuling place po. Kaya nakabalik po ang Trigens Barbershop sa larong ito. From a 14-point lead. Di na 40 point, 20 yata, hindi ba kanina? 20, no? Almost 20-point lead. 20, no? 20. I think fatigue factor po, settling up po para sa Sports Corner. Dahil medyo depleted yung bench nila, oh. Depleted yung bench nila. Okay, last quarter po tayo ngayon. Inbounding po ngayon ang Trigens Barbershop. Archie. Archie, inbounding, pasok. Okay, good. Salman driving. Ayun, kick off. Lock up. Wala. Salman, nandun. Nice follow up by Salman. Trigens po tayo ngayon. Lamang po rin 3 na ngayon. Mercader. Difficult shot. Foul on Scott. Scott called for the foul. First personal foul ni Scott. Ayun na. Kasono. Ayun. Scott for the rebound. Scott, Kendrenen. Balat-bat. Again, one more time. Pasok. May balat-bat. Again. Balat-bat. Balat-bat with a capital B for basket. Now this time now, again, 5-point lead now being posted na by Trigens Barbershop.
12 seconds shot clock. 9 seconds. 6 seconds shot clock.
Mercader, no good. Salman. Archie to Salman. Yun. Sinubo na ang bola. Basketball made easy by Salman. Time out call by Sports Corner. A little voice of concern po yan dahil may lumalago na pang Trigens Barbershop. 8 minutes remaining para sa Trigens Barbershop. It's 51-58. Ito ba itong kapartisipan po ngayon? Yan po. Yan ha. Still winter pa patay sa Qatar.
Back to the ball game.
It's a cold and winter morning po para sa Qatar.
51-58. Down.
Yes, 51-58 po yan. Tama po yan.
Regents, bumaliktad na.
Regents Barbershop. Okay, back to the ball game po tayo. 8 minutes remaining. Sports corner trailing na by 7 points po tayo. Mercader to Mr. Paloco. Mr. Paloco. Mr. P.
Score 58-51.
Paloco. Ramos. Ramos. Mercader. Mercader. Driving. Driving. Lawa. Tap away. Salman. Uy! Offensive foul. Offensive foul. Taniko. Kita. Taniko. Kita.
Offensive foul by number 17.
Offensive foul. Technical foul also called.
Technical.
Bench ng Regents for excessive complaining.
And remaining 8 minutes.
Inumang kita. May po yung kita. Inumang eh. Tinamaan pa sa Paloco. Okay, Regents Barbershop. Technical free throw, Mercader. Bonus free throw. Technical free throw pa Mr. Mercader. Pasok sana. Inbounding pa. Regents ang sports corner. So, offensive foul po called on Sulaiman. Sulaiman.
16 seconds shot clock.
Lock up. Stolen off. Jump ball. Sports corner ball.
Same ball.
Mercader inbounding. Ibang Mercader. Inbounding. Excuse me po.
8 seconds.
Okay, thank you. Ibang Mercader inbounding.
6 seconds shot clock. 4
Uy! Sulaiman. Oh! Same ball. Walang ano.
Time remaining 7 minutes and 21 seconds. 1-7 in last quarter.
Belza.
14 seconds.
Pasok! Nice shot by Belsa. Nakabawi. 5 points lead ng Regents Barbershop.
Remaining 7 minutes and 10 seconds. Score 58-53. Favor of Regents. Tumala po ang naman ng Regents.
Pop sa for 3.
14 seconds shot clock.
Archie, top 2. Balatbat.
10 seconds shot clock.
Balatbat. Archie. Foul on Belza. Foul on Belza. Archie now shooting for 2 para sa Regents Barbershop.
Fourth personal foul. 4 na po. 6 seconds. Substitution.
Lakap muna. Labas mo si Mr. Lakap para kay Natividad. Mercado Archie shooting for 2.
14 seconds shot clock.
Ay, si Chinela sa pre. Magkano yan? Ganyan ah. Earthiness? Saan mo nabili?
2 free throws.
Daiso. Archie missed the first free throw para kay Archie. Second shot. Jumpers ready. Daiso Japan, yes. Inbounding nga po. Rebound po ni Mr. Mercader. Ang bola. Mercader against Sulaiman. Mercader driving. Ayun, crossover na iwanan. Rebound ni Natividad. Balatbat. Sulaiman. Papsa. Pasok ang bola. Nice shot.
53 in favor of Regents.
Richard.
Ito po ang tapat ng Brilliance.
Paloco, strip away. Nakuha ni Paloco ang bola. Mercader, pop super 3. No good. Rebound ni Archie. No.
Substitution.
Technical si Scott. Siya na technical tuloy.
Warning for technical.
Excessive kantsawang kasi yun, na technical tuloy. Technical, nice. Kantsawang kasi nila. Scott tsaka si Ramos. Kapag nakantsawan, di ba? O, technical tuloy si Scott. Technical free throw para kay Ramos.
Labas muna. Technical.
Teka lang. Ano muna? Siya yung pinaka-senior referee po, discussing some points.
Bench. Dalawa na po ang technical foul ng bench.
2 technicals pala po, called for the bench. First time pa kay excessive complaining. This time po, Ramos again. Pasok. Pasok yung second free, yung free. Takadalo pala kanina, kanina excessive complaining din pala. Kaya na technical sila. 60-54 at 6 minutes 7 seconds remaining. Remaining para po sa Trigus Barbershop. Alin po kalamangan? Dimac. Nakuha ni Jela ang bola. Jela. Ramos. Paloco. No good. Dimac. Natividad. Salman. Ayun. Palatpat. Palpal. Si Mercader. Pero sumabit. Nasabit. Nasabit si Mr. Mercader. Napasabit na. Ha? Oh. Nasabit. Again, balat-bat na. Bonus free throws coming up. Parang may sa balat-bat. Balat-bat. Free throws coming. It's no good. First shot, no good. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Second throw mi sa balat-bat. Pasok. Okay, the score is 54-61. 7 point di po kalamangan po ng 3 Giants Barbershop. Ramos, power move. Nawala ang bola. Mr. Balat-bat. Salman. Dimac driving, pops up. No good. Rebound ni Archie. Salman. Natividad. Archie. Foul called. Again, Mercader called for the foul. Second for a foul po called to Mr. Mercader. Warning for penalty po ang sports corner. Natividad driving. Palpal ni Ramos. Palpal ni Ramos. Nice D. Walang pinasahan naman si Mercader. Okay, balik po muli sa 3 ang bola. 4 minutes 39 seconds remaining. Alagaan na lang yan, sabi ng coach nila. Mercado. Salman ako lang ng ano. Mercado sa Archie. 3. Pasok! Mercader. Driving. Sayang, wala. Substitution made po.
25 out.
Kala may badminton, pumasok.
Substitution po.
Now, si Scott po, babalik na po si Scott. Para kay Salman, balat-bat quality minutes been given by Salman. And balat-bat po sa Trojans. Mercader. Pops up, yes. First shot is good. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Second shot, jumpers ready para Mr. Mercader. Second shot, coming up. It's good. Okay, it's good. Time out na called on Trojans. Hindi pala, sorry, sub pala. Pumasok sa Siniclos para kay Archie. 4 minutes, 9 seconds remaining. Niklos. Inbounding. Si Scott nandiyan muna sa loob.
17 second shot lang.
Niklos.
12 second shot lang.
Scott. Airball. Yun, Mercader. Ang galing.
Time remaining 3 minutes and 40 seconds.
3 minutes, 40 seconds remaining.
64-58.
Ano mga kalamangan? D-Mac.
12 second shot lang. 9 second shot lang.
Nice one by D-Mac. Eurostep.
3 minutes and 20 seconds remaining.
Foul.
Sinong foul mo? Step Bulao, second personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty pang Trojans Barbershop.
Warning for penalty.
First shot, Mercader. Pasok. Basket made. Second shot, jumpers ready. 3 minutes, 18 seconds remaining of the fourth quarter. Second throw. Mercader, second throw. Pasok pareho.
66-60. Anim ang kalamangan ng Trojans.
Trojans Barbershop. Anim po ng anim.
16 second shot lang.
Niklos to Scott. Scott driving.
12 second shot lang.
Driving Scott, driving.
9 second shot lang.
Ayun, pinasok palabas. Pasok! Stolen away!
Score 17-60. 10.
Jela! Paolo Niklos. Jela.
Penalty.
Penalty situation, Trojans Barbershop.
Penalty na po. Number 12, third personal foul.
Third person na po tayo. Third person po, Trojans Barbershop. Jela. First shot, Jela.
39 seconds.
First shot ni Jela. Pasok. Second shot, jumper ready po tayo.
Last draw.
Siyam lang po yan. Magiging 8 mamaya pag nipasok to. Okay, 8 nga. Niklos from D-Mac.
Score 17-50.
Niklos.
In favor of
D-Mac.
14 second shot
Di
lang.
makulangan.
10 second shot lang.
Natividad. And one play.
11 second shot lang.
Defense talaga, boss.
Sinong foul?
D-Mac and one play pa. 10 kalamangan. 2 minutes, 20 seconds remaining. Substitution.
Personal foul.
Number 23 in. Paloko out.
Both teams team penalty po.
Both teams penalty situation po tayo. Di makulangan first shot. Bonus free throw para rather. It's good. On simuli kalamangan po ng Trojans Barbershop.
16 seconds. 73-62.
Pasono, wala. Ramos, power move. Wala pa rin. Mercader, nilabas mo ng bola. Tap away by Scott. Tap away by Scott. Ball tap away. Last touch, Trojans Barbershop. 11 points lead po, lamang po ng Trojans. Kasono, 0. Jela, wala. Ayun, Natividad. Scott. Ano muna? Gamit muna tayo ng oras. Gamit oras.
10 seconds shot clock. 9
Dimac.
7 seconds shot clock.
Scott.
5.
And one play pa. Wala na. Lalo na.
Number 7. Second first.
Foul.
Penalty.
Wala yata ano ma-ruling dito ba? Pwede mag-challenge kahit regulation? Pwede ba? Pwede? Tagisan challenge lang. Okay, Ramos called for the foul. Scott, bonus free throw coming up. 1 minute 31 na lang po yan. Ay, so baka si Tapas. Basket made. Kasono. Ayun, kay Jela. Hindi lang na nagmadali. Scott, beta ng bola. Scott. Kanina. Hindi, fatigue factor yan bro. Mas depleted kasi yung bench nila eh. Uy! Sa Monte. Ramos call for the foul. Depleted kasi bench nila. Unless kung condition talaga yung sports corner. Depleted eh. Ang mababaw ng konti yung bench nila. Bakit nga talaga gano'n yung factor, yung fatigue factor nagsettle. Scott nilabas na. 1 minute 4 seconds remaining. 14-point lead posted now by Trojans Barbershop. Sa huli. Kanina sinuwerte ng todo yun eh. Pasok. Okay. 15-point lead now. Kalamangan po ng Trojans. Okay, 1 minute remaining. Pace. Mercader, no good. Jela, nakuha pa ni Dimakulangan. Foul.
10 seconds shot clock.
Natividad. Dimac, shooting for 2.
97. Mr. Haman, third personal foul. 14 penalty. 2 free throws. 4 free throws. Score 77-62.
Dimac, first shot, no good.
Time remaining 51 seconds.
Second throw, jumpers ready. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Okay, parehas din okay, 50 seconds remaining na. Okay, pace na lang po tayo. Safety na lang tayo.
46 seconds remaining.
Jela. Okay, it's good.
Pasok po ang bilang ni Mr.
Samonte.
30 seconds.
Peaches. Dimac.
16 seconds shot clock. 24 seconds remaining.
Foul.
Number 7.
Ramos.
Fourth personal foul. Time remaining 20
Okay.
seconds.
Di makulangan again for shooting for 2 out of foul ni Ramos. Pops up. No good. Pasok. Swak na swak. Perling season na.
3 points po ang Galamang.
Alam niyo sino sumisira ng net dito ha? Yung mga shooter dito. Okay. Pasok pareho. Natin. Okay, Jella pasok, 3 points. That's it, I believe so. Okay, that's it po. Congratulations po, Three Johns Barbershop. Final score is 67-79. Congratulations po sa Three Johns Barbershop po for winning the game and out of compliment behind passion. With it po, maraming salamat. Also, tangkilin po ang aming pong liga po. PSBQ Basketball League every Tuesdays and Thursdays sa Perling Season International Indoor, and also summer class po yan live po sa Facebook channel po ng PSBQ. Maraming salamat po and see you po.